Wait, watch this. You see that number going up? Let me show you exactly how I did this. Okay, so honestly, I was in a really frustrating place a few months ago. I was posting on my Facebook page every single day, good content, real effort, and I was stuck at maybe 2,000 followers for weeks. I tried everything, hashtags, sharing in groups, asking friends to follow. Nothing was really moving the needle fast enough. And the problem is Facebook will not monetize your page until you hit certain numbers. So I was basically working for free, waiting and waiting. Then a friend of mine, his page blew up out of nowhere. I asked him what he did differently. He told me something I honestly did not expect. Now let me just show you where my page is right now. 9,000 followers. My page is fully monetized. These videos here, 200,000 views, 100,000, and this one hit 1 million. And I am gonna be honest with you, I am not a celebrity. I am not running paid ads. What changed was one decision I made, and I am going to walk you through it right now. So what my friend showed me was a website called Viterboyd. Now, when he first told me, I was skeptical. I thought, is this safe? Is my account gonna get banned? Is this even real? But he showed me his page, his monetization dashboard, everything. So I decided to just try it myself. Here is exactly what I did. I went to the website. The link is in the description, and it is also pinned in the comments, so you do not have to search for it. Once you are on the site, you will see different services: Facebook followers, likes, views. Since I wanted to grow my page, I clicked on Facebook followers. Step 1, choose your package. They have different sizes. I started small, just 5,000 followers, because I wanted to test it before spending more. And honestly, the price surprised me. It was way cheaper than I expected. Other growth services I looked at were charging $100, even $150. This was a fraction of that. Step 2, paste your Facebook page link. Just copy your page URL and paste it into the box. They do not ask for your password. They do not need access to your account. That was important for me. Step 3, payment. You can pay by card or crypto. I used my Visa. The whole checkout takes like 2 minutes. And then you wait. I am not gonna lie, I was refreshing the page every few minutes, and then I started seeing it, the number going up. Slowly at first, then faster, smooth, natural looking growth. Not a sudden jump that looks suspicious. Just as steady followers coming in, that feeling of watching your page grow after being stuck for so long, it is different. It motivated me to post more, create better content, and now the page basically runs itself. And once I hit the follower threshold Facebook requires, I applied for monetization and got approved. Now, I know some of you are thinking exactly what I was thinking. Is this gonna get my page banned? Honestly, that was my biggest fear, but it has been months now. The page is fine, still monetized, still growing. The followers they deliver look real. They do not drop off overnight, and Facebook never flagged anything. I am not telling you this is magic. You still need to post content. But what this does is give you the momentum to get past that wall where the algorithm starts working for you instead of against you. If you have been struggling to grow your page and you are tired of waiting months for results that may never come, just try it with 5,000 followers first like I did. Test it, see the result with your own eyes. The link is in the description. It is also pinned in the first comment. Prices can change, so I would check it sooner rather than later. If this helped you, drop a like on this video. And if you want to see how I am monetizing the page and making money from it, subscribe, because I am going to cover that in my next video. All right, go check the link. I will see you in the next one.